Hello friends, I am Pramod Gorad. Welcome to my channel Mindset IT Practical. A first practical on Python programming. To create a program that asks user to enter their name and age, and according to that, I display the message when the year that they will be turned 100 years old. Means we have to take name and age as an input. Okay, to open Python ideally 3.4.0. As length of program is number of lines, so we have to open file, new untitled file. So let's see what we have to accept, name and age. So we have to take name and age from the user. So here variable name is equal to input is a method to accept the value from the user. Enter the name colon slash n new line we have to represent. Age is another variable we are using to take the input from the user. As it is a string format input, so we have to convert it into integer format using int. This is called typecasting. So int bracket open input, enter the age colon slash n for new line. After getting age, we have to calculate it exact age which should be remaining. So calc underscore remaining, that is rem, is equal to 100 minus age, that will be gives us a remaining age from the 100 years. Now we have to find the exact year that the person is turned to 100 year. So find underscore year, another variable to calculate the exact year. For that, cal underscore rem, it should be added to current date. For example, if my age is 32, so 100 minus 32, so whatever the answer, that will be added into current year. For year, we require datetime module, and that will be imported from the package called as datetime. After writing from datetime, import datetime, we have to write datetime dot now. Now is a inbuilt method to represent a date, and from that we have to access the year. So our equation is right now year plus calculated underscore remaining age. After this expression, we have to display the message to get to know that what exactly message is given in the program. So hello, a person name. For that we use %s, that will be accessed using the variable name. Your age is %s. Again, this position is represent age of that particular person, and you will turn 100 years in percent yes. That is our final output to shows as find underscore year. So as per the sequence, we call name, age and find underscore year as a parameter respectively. Close function and save the file as file name 1a pp practical.py. The .py is the extension for Python programming. Now go to run module, or you can use the F5 as a shortcut key. Enter the name. In new line we have to write Pramod. After press enter, enter the age 32. So here the print message is displayed as hello Pramod, your age is 32 and you will be turned 200 years in 2088. So this is what about practical number 1. Thank you for watching.